Hi guys, so we are talking about verification of element. Last time we are discussing about this command visual verification and how to get a pixel and visual search. So in this video we will talk about how we can wait for any element, and we can implement a wait for element for its presence or its absence. For both scenario we can implement a wait, but you can hear cs4 command. Actually its working are different, so its presence here is a wait for element not present, wait for element not visible, and wait for element present, wait for element visible. So we will talk about all of these command, and first we will cover here wait for element not present. Firstly, here we can see that actually presence mean if it's presence in a code but it's a not display. uh, our target element is present in uh, source code, but we are here implement the wait for not present. It's mean for absence. We are applying a wait for absence, so it will wait for this, but after of it will arise an error due to it's not according to our condition because it's a present in this case. And here we will implement a wait its opposite condition. It's mean presence. Actually it's a presence in source code, but it's not visible here on our screen, but it's mean it's a presence. So I will run this command. We can see it's run instantly and with the success code. So next we will see how we can wait for a visible element. Like for this scenario an example, like here you can see that when I will press here show, and we will see it's appear in a 4 second. Yes, we can see that this section is appear after a 4 second, and we will wait for its presence. Firstly we will wait for its invisible. Firstly we will wait for its invisible. So for invisible it's wait for element not visible. So here firstly I will type here hide, which will hide it. And I will not run this command because firstly we will implement a wait for its invisible. So we will run this and we will see that it will run, and we can see that it's run successfully. And because this element is invisible now. And next we will implement for wait visible. So for wait visible I will put here actually here I am putting for myself, but in most scenario it's appear like any timer on a website during automation. And sometimes it's appear on space. We are required for specific situation, and it's varies in a different situation. And an element also varies, it's different. And here I will implement for show visible. Actually I will run this command, and next I will run a command for show, and it will appear in a 4 second. We can see that it's run, and now it's a successfully run. So maybe you are understand all of this command. And last command is about wait for page load. Actually this command is needed instantly after open command, because it's used to successfully page loader. And last thing which are not discussed, that it's actually it's a time in a millisecond which is used to uh, for its timeout. And in this case it's a 15,000. But in case of a wait for page load we will give this wait here. So remember that we will give a wait for page load here, and we will use it instantly after open command. Like here I will give here a page URL, and here I will give open, and here I will give a URL, and now I will start this macro. We can see that it's a properly run. Okay, and maybe you are understand all of these command, and if you have any question about this command, you can comment below this video.